How to connect ChatGPT to Canva. So first, log into Canva and go to the apps on the left side of the window, which is what you can see here. Then search for ChatGPT and then click on it. So search for ChatGPT and then click on ChatGPT, which is what you can see here. Then select DAL makers of ChatGPT. So select this one right here and select the DAL-E. Then choose either use the existing design or use a new design. So click this button right here, which is what you can see. Then enter the keywords you want to generate and click the project you want with ChatGPT. Just follow these prompts and then click generate. Then select the image of choice. So select your image that you generated and then go to chatgpt.com and ask ChatGPT to create content for your design, such as social media posts, captions, or any other text you need. So just type that caption and then incorporate the text generated by ChatGPT into your Canva design by copying the pasting and text to Canva. And that's how you can integrate or connect ChatGPT to Canva.